Welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss in Delhi Sultanate the Lodi dynasty. The Lodi dynasty is the last dynasty in the Delhi Sultanate and the fifth dynasty. The first was Slave, then Khilji, then Tughlaq, then Sayyid, and the fifth and the last is Lodi dynasty, which was from 1451 to 1526. So the Lodi dynasty was an Afghan dynasty that ruled in Delhi Sultanate from 1451 to 1526. It was the fifth and final dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate and was founded by Bahlul Khan Lodi. During the reign of Muhammad Shah, the Sayyid ruler, he served, that is, Bahlul Lodi served as a Subedar or governor of Lahore and Sirhind. Later, he ascended to the throne and founded the Lodi dynasty. Bahlul Lodi, who ruled from 1451 to 1489. During the reign of Muhammad Shah, he served as a Subedar of Lahore and Sirhind. Bahlul Khan Lodi ascended to the throne of Delhi Sultanate on 19th April 1451. He is the founder of the Lodi dynasty. The most important event of his reign was the conquest of Jaunpur. Sikandar Lodi from 1489 to 1517. Bahlul Lodi was succeeded by Sikandar Lodi. His real name was Nizam Khan and he was the second son of Bahlul Lodi. He is known as the founder of Agra, the city of Agra, in 1504. And he shifted the capital from Delhi to Agra. His pen name was Gulrukh. So he is the founder of the city of Agra and he shifted the capital from Delhi to Agra. This is about Sikandar Lodi. Ibrahim Lodi from 1517 to 1526. Ibrahim Lodi is the youngest son of Sikandar Lodi and he is the last Lodi Sultan of Delhi. Ibrahim was defeated in 1526 at the Battle of Panipat. Ibrahim Lodi was thus killed in the first Battle of Panipat with Babur in 1526. The Delhi Sultanate came to an end and the Mughal Empire emerged under Babur in Delhi. So in this map we can see the Lodi dynasty. That is, it extended only a smaller part of the northern India only. So the major rulers were Bahlul Lodi, Sikandar Lodi and Ibrahim Lodi. In 1526, the Mughal forces of Babur, the king of Kabulistan or Kabul in the present-day Afghanistan, defeated Ibrahim's much larger army in the Battle of Panipat, in the first Battle of Panipat. Ibrahim was killed in the battle and Lodi dynasty came to an end, and by that the Delhi Sultanate also came to an end. And the new empire, that is the Mughals, ascended to the throne of Delhi, and from here the Mughal empire is ruling Delhi. So in this video we had discussed briefly about the Lodi dynasty and its rulers. So thank you for watching these videos and please subscribe the channel General Studies for more such videos.